Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well. So students, in our previous lecture we have covered question number 1, 2 and 3 of our exercise. Today we're gonna cover question number 4, 5 and 6. So question number 4 is the diagram shows a cell. Here a cell is given to you. Then the questions about these cells is: does the cell come from a plant or an animal? Give 2 reasons for your answer.
The answer is this is an animal cell. It does not have chloroplast and there is no large vacuole in its middle.
Question number 2 is: each animal and plant cell has a nucleus. What does the nucleus do?
The answer is the nucleus contains the information which controls everything that goes on in the cell.
Question number 5. The diagram shows a nerve cell from an animal. It is a nerve cell that is taken from the animal. Cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm is being labeled on the diagram. The question which they are gonna ask is: what is the job of a nerve cell?
Answer is nerve cells have long thin fibers which carry messages from one part of body to another.
Question number 2 is: describe how this cell is suited to its job.
The cell is suited to its job because nerve cells have long fibers which helps in carrying messages from one part of body to the another.
Part 2 is: put these in order starting with the simplest. Students, they have given you the system, organ, cell, organism, tissue, organ and system in an irregular pattern. You have to arrange them order wise. That what is the simplest level. So you have to start with the simplest level and order according to it. So we know the first one is cell, then tissue, then organ system and then organism. The cells that perform the same function, they combine to form tissue. The different tissues that combine to form organ. Different organs that are doing the same function known as organ system, and these different organs combine to form an organism, a whole organism. Question number 6. The diagram shows the parts of the eye. Students, this is the diagram and these are the parts that are given. You have to label it according to the diagram and the label parts. Part A is, this one is iris, this part is cornea, C is the pupil, D is lens and E is the retina. Optic nerve is already mentioned in the diagram. Part 2 is: what changes the shape of part D to enable the eye to focus?
The shape of the lens can be changed by a ring muscle running around its edges. This enables us to focus on objects at different distances.
Part 3. Which part contains light-sensitive nerve cells?
Retina contains light-sensitive nerve cells.
Part number 4. The optic nerve carries signals from the eye to the brain. What does the brain do with these signals?
The brain interprets signals from the retina and produces the picture that we see.